Get fit. Subject English. Topic Action time. My English Book 5, page number 13. Listen carefully to the leaders A and B and act. गिरोह के सरबराह क्या कह रहे हैं गौर से सुनिए और इसके मुताबिक अमल कीजिए। पहले गिरोह के सरबराह अपने अपने गिरोह के अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे।
I am a leader of group A. Sit, stand, walk, run, turn, bend, sing, smile, laugh, speak, clap, tap, look, point, come, go. I am the leader of group B. Up, down, fast, slowly, quickly, loudly, softly, left, right, around, in, out, your feet, your hands, to the board, at the door.
Now start to prepare our commands.
Sit, down, stand, up, walk, slowly, run, fast, turn, left, turn, right, bend, down, sing loudly, smile softly, laugh loudly, laugh slowly, speak fast, speak loudly, speak slowly, clap your hands, tap your feet, look down, point your feet, point to the board, point fast, come to the board, come fast, come down, come in, go fast, go slowly, go down.
Very good, children. Now next, write down any 5 meaningful commands. Go slowly, turn around, tap your feet, clap your hands, sit down,